There are a few days when the Indian in me wants a plate full of comfort food and only rice will do. There's no mac and cheese here. I would love to have some amazing rice, and today we'll see Puliogara rice, which makes up this comfort food. Hi, welcome to 3 Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra, and today let's make Puliogara rice made by this Puliogara powder which is sent to me by Indian Tummy. I have just opened this bottle and look at the lovely rust sunset golden color. It smells aromatic, fresh, beautiful, and I'm going to use this powder to make Puliogara rice. It's a very simple recipe, especially now that the powder is ready and I don't need to take the entire efforts of grinding the powder. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to heat a pan and prepare the entire tadka of Puliogara rice. That's like the tempering that goes into the rice and makes it this amazing warm comfort food. It's actually like getting a hug from your grandmother from within, because some things are just memories. To this pan I've added oil, and for the tempering I've added mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds crackle a bit, I'm going to be adding the chana dal and some peanuts. These are just unroasted plain peanuts. Then I'm going to be adding whole red chilies. And let's just wait until this whole thing crackles and gives off its own lovely aroma. To this I'm going to add in turmeric. And once it's nice, hot, sizzly, and it's giving off this lovely aroma, I'm going to go in and add the Puliogara powder that I have received. This powder is by Indian Tummy. They offer products that are a typical traditional South Indian taste, but it's made unconventionally, so they bring a little bit of a different taste to the modern palate. And they are 100% preservative free, and they use the freshest of ingredients. This whole thing is very eco-friendly, and it was just heavenly. At this point of time I was in love with this. Now to this entire mixture I'm going to add cooked rice. And then we'll just give it a good stir and a mix. This is a wonderful recipe, especially for days when you want to eat something nice and comforting, but you don't have the time to prepare an entire Puliogara powder, especially because personally I would love to use this kind of a shortcut when I know that the powder is amazing, it's pure, it's nicely made, it's trustworthy basically, and I get the perfect plate of food without much trouble. I'm just going in and adding a little bit of salt, and then let's just mix this well together. And you can see how lovely the rice looks, the color, the texture, it's just fabulous. Indian Tummy can be bought online on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And here's this lovely plate of rice. It's actually steaming hot, as you can see. You can actually see the steam rising. It's beautiful. You can see those lovely crunchy peanuts, the comfort of this warm, soft rice. It's just one of the most wonderful meals ever, and it just reminds you of a lovely puja day with these fresh aromatics, or just being in comfort of your grandmother's house when it's raining outside or something. And if you like this recipe, do share it with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get such recipes, very easy ones especially, and you can prepare them easily. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do check out Indian Tummy, and they have a lot more of these powders. You can go in for their rasam powder, they have a sambar powder, Puliogara powder, and a milka puri also. So they have a wide variety. You can check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.